Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I have Samsung A07 SM-A075F and this works also on SM-A075M Android 15. And in this video we are going to use TSM Pro 2. Turn off your mobile phone and open TSM. If you don't have TSM, we have for rent at a good price. Mobile phone off, press volume up and down buttons and insert your cable to put your phone into download mode. Then press volume up. After this, go to your TSM Pro 2. Reboot a phone to normal mode and search for A07. In this case, my phone is A075F and I'm going to choose it. Then press on FRP, remove FRP. We are going to use MTK flash mode. Press both buttons, volumes and power button. When the phone is off, or the process will start automatically. As you can see, the process has been done. As you can see, it's Android SM-A075F. Automatically the phone will reboot. Please, I'm going to fast forward this video to make it short. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. As you can see, just to set up normally, as you can see, it's done. Please, thank you for watching. See you another video.